This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. It's just my trade journal market analysis, Monday, February 5th, 2024. Daily affirmation: I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. Left to right, we've got the NASDAQ. You can see here, there's a gap here. This is a daily chart, and we've got the NASDAQ above the 9 EMA. So price, again, got has two-day air. Middle, same, similar chart. Very interested because we have a 29 and change price level on the EMA. That is the 9 EMA, and price is way up here in the 49.70s here. And then on the right, King Dollar. This is when you know you've got manipulation, because note the two candles on the dollar, big green prior day Friday, and we're still extending in green, where we had green expansion on both the equity indices. So you know it's manipulation. It was already admitted that it was timing precise, that the certain entities did not want to disclose things until after the close on Friday because of certain things internationally were going to happen, and they did. So the manipulation continues because, again, we've got this green candle here, second day on the dollar, and there is no proportionate downside on these two equity indices. So that is a big heads up on watching what happens in the next 24 to 36 hours. So I want to go down to the ES 15-minute benchmark and look at the levels. Next chart. 15-minute benchmark on the ES. The first thing I want to note here is how we opened the week up on this new week. New week open gap high, 49.76 level on the ES, okay? That's the upper level. And what we've got here on the open new week open gap on the low is 49.72.75. You can see here we are right before the 8:30 a.m. as I record this level, and I wanted to give it some extra time before I recorded the video today because we're in a narrow range, maybe 13 handles. You can see the red line below. I've got that marked as the relative equal low zone, and that red line was broken right here, and that was real coincidental to have another red line. It was after the close prior week, Thursday, when we had that big earnings reports on those three giant mega cap stocks. This was where we hit, and notice how price goes down to tag that 49.63.75. So that is the sell side liquidity from Asia lows that was taken, and we go right back up after that to the new week open gap zone, which is where we're at right now. So the yellow right here demarks the deep yellow on the top is New York midnight open, 49.67.75, and London open, 49.69. So again, we're in a compression range here. So I'm going to watch what happens in this zone. I'm looking at above and below. Let's go what's above. So what's above here on this red line is 5,000, the magic number, because Friday, previous week, 49.97.75. So buy side liquidity is going to be 5,000 plus. Okay, below this, what do we have below it? Below it, what we've got is this giant daily volume imbalance. What this is, again, is on a daily time frame. You can see here, it really created a large volume imbalance. And I'll go on a day chart just to blow this up a little more so you can see it. So this is big time right here from Friday to Thursday. No bodies, no candle bodies, only candle wicks. At some point, I'm looking for price to come down and tag this consequent encroachment, 49.40 and change. Top of that is 49.52, and to reprice the whole thing, 49.28.75. This is the major inefficiency that I'm looking to be repriced. I'm saying there's a high probability it will reprice this week, but it still could go back to 5,000 before it comes back down. That's what I'm trying to say here. But this is a major, large gap inefficiency that I'm looking to be filled. So there you have it. These are the levels. Let's go back to the 15-minute, because this gap, it's not doing it yet. So we've got some room to grow. Now an intermediate confirmation would be this T+2 from January level at 49.56, this green line. That would tell me we're going to tag this. Thanks so much for watching. Shout out to the OG subscribers, and special welcome to 2024 new subscribers. You're the backbone, both of you guys and gals, for why I do this video. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha and take care.